So today my presentation is on Moore's Law, and it will be a quiz. Question 1. When was Moore's Law created? The answer is 1965. Question 2. True or false? Moore's Law is the principle that the speed and capability of computers can be expected to double every 2 years as a result of increases in the number of transistors a microchip can contain. That statement is true. Question 3. True or false? Moore did not make an accurate prediction about the rate of growth. That statement is false. And here is just a picture of Moore's Law and its accuracy. Next question. Why is Moore's Law no longer applicable? It is no longer applicable because the speed and size of computer processors are always changing and will not always become better than before. Congratulations, you have completed the quiz.